I never tire telling you how much I look up to you as an actress. Kami ni Boy, diba, are so vocal in saying, sa henerasyon mo, ikaw na ang pinaka masasabi nating actress talaga. So it can only continue getting better. Thank you. Kasi I texted her this, when she played Mom, I was really expecting to be so sad during Mom's birthday. Pero, nung nakita ko what life must have been like for Mom and Dad nung una silang na in love, na picture ko na ganun siguro ang buhay nila in heaven ngayon. Kaya, naibsan yung kalungkutan sa aking puso. Kaya maraming salamat, Bea, because you really brought Mom's spirit to life. Thank you. Kay Lloydie naman, maraming salamat dun sa effort na binibigay mo to reach out continuously to Boy and me. I really appreciate that beautiful Christmas card you sent. And like I told you, we were friends from way back. Bago ka pa nagtabing ilog, naging magkaibigan na tayo. So, inaasahan kong manumbalik yung pagkakaibigan natin. At alam mo naman na kami ni Boy talaga, hindi mababago yung pagiging tagahanga sa'yo.
That's true.
So thank you, thank you, thank you. I guess it's just the start,
I know.
So umaasa talaga ako ng mga bonggacious na greetings. Ma-pressure na kayo.